Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to share with you an overview of wastewater treatment, starting with the basics. The first slide is titled, "What is a wet well in wastewater treatment?" And we'll explore its key role in the process. We'll look at how it acts as an initial collection point, managing flow and elevating wastewater for treatment. Throughout this session, I'll explain why proper sizing is so important and how wet wells ensure the smooth operation of treatment facilities. Let's get started. So why do wet wells matter? Well, they play a crucial role in both the function and safety of wastewater systems. One of their key functions is flow buffering. They help absorb sudden surges in wastewater volume, which is essential to prevent overloads downstream and ensure smooth operation. They also enable efficient pumping. Submerged pumps reliably move sewage to treatment plants without interruption, keeping the process steady. Another important aspect is odor control. Properly designed wet wells help prevent the growth of anaerobic bacteria that produce foul smells. And from a system protection standpoint, they reduce how often pumps cycle on and off, which extends equipment lifespan and cuts down on maintenance costs. Now, safety is a big concern here. Wet wells are classified as hazardous confined spaces because they contain dangerous gases like methane and hydrogen sulfide. These gases pose serious risks, including asphyxiation and potential explosions. That's why strict safety protocols, continuous gas monitoring, and good ventilation are absolutely essential before anyone enters. Regular maintenance plays a vital role too. Scheduled inspections and cleaning help prevent system failures. It's all about ensuring the system runs smoothly and avoiding surprises. Overflow prevention is another critical factor. It helps reduce the risk of untreated sewage spilling into local waterways, protecting our environment. Speaking of which, environmental protection is a core reason we pay attention to wet well management. Proper operation and maintenance minimize contamination, risks to surrounding ecosystems, which is vital for community health and sustainability. In summary, wet wells are not just about managing wastewater. They're about doing so safely, efficiently, and responsibly to protect both people and the environment.